Hello dear students, good evening all of you. Welcome to Gagandev Simhadri IIT chemistry classes. Okay, now let us go to one question from inorganic chemistry. So that is the hybridization of chlorine in ClO minus, ClO2 minus, ClO3 minus and ClO4 minus ions are. Okay, so what is ClO minus? Hypochlorite ion, chlorite ion, chlorate ion, perchlorate ion. Okay, so in these oxoanions of chlorine, what is the hybridization of chlorine? Okay, they given four options. First option sp2, 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 sp2. Next second option sp3, sp3d, sp3d2, sp3d, sp3d3. Third option sp3d3, sp3d2, sp3d, sp3. Okay, fourth option they given sp3, sp3, sp3 and sp3. Okay. Okay, right. Okay, what are these? These are called oxoacids. Okay, these are oxoacids of chlorine. What are the oxoacids of chlorine? Oxoacids. Okay, oxoacids means that is the acids which contains at least one oxygen atom. Okay, those are called oxoacids. So oxoacids of chlorine. Okay, chlorine mainly forms four oxoacids. That is HOCl. What is this? Hypochlorous acid. Next HClO2. Okay, chlorous acid. Next HClO3, chloric acid. HClO4, perchloric acid. HClO4, perchloric acid. Okay. Next this hypochlorous acid, by the loss of one proton, so it forms a ClO minus, hypochlorite ion. What is this? ClO minus. This is the conjugate base. What is this? Conjugate base. Okay. The conjugate base of hypochlorous acid is what? ClO minus. Okay. Similarly, the conjugate base of HClO2 is what? Conjugate base is formed by the loss of one proton. Conjugate base is formed by the loss of one proton. Therefore, what is the conjugate base of HClO2? That is ClO2 minus. Okay, next what is the conjugate base of HClO3? Minus H plus. Okay, by the loss of one proton we get ClO3 minus. Next, by the loss of one proton, okay, in case of perchloric acid, so therefore minus H plus. So we get what? Perchlorate ion, ClO4 minus. Okay, this is called hypochlorite ion, chlorite ion, chlorate ion, perchlorate ion. Okay. So now what is the hybridization of these oxoanions of chlorine? What is the hybridization? Hybridization. Hybridization. Okay, how to calculate hybridization? In case of inorganic molecules or ions, that is group number of central atom plus number of monovalent atoms minus charge by 2. This is the formula to calculate hybridization. Therefore, in case of ClO minus, hypochlorite ion, okay, what is the central atom in all these ClO minus in all these anions? Okay, central atom is chlorine. Okay, chlorine belongs to 7th A group element. Therefore, so group number is what? 7. That is chlorine contains, that is halogens contain 7 valence electrons. Understood? Therefore, calculate hybridization. So that is group number of central atom. Central atom is chlorine. Chlorine belongs to 7th A group. Therefore, group number is 7. Okay, plus number of monovalent atoms. Okay, 7 plus. So there is no monovalent atoms because oxygen is divalent. Oxygen is what? Divalent. So if any hydrogen, chlorine, bromine, iodine are present, so then we have to consider monovalent. There is no monovalent. Therefore, group number is 7. Number of monovalent atoms 0 minus charge. Charge is how much? Minus 1. Therefore, minus into minus 1 by 2. That is equal to what? So 8 by 2. 8 by 2 means 4. 4 means what is the hybridization? sp3 hybridization. Okay. So if the number of hybrid orbitals are 2, sp hybridization. If the number of hybrid orbitals are 3, sp2 4, sp3 5, sp3d 6, sp3d2 7, sp3d3. Okay. So if the number of hybrid orbitals are 2, then what is the hybridization number? Sp. The number of hybrid orbitals are 3. What is the hybridization? sp2. Okay. If the number of hybrid orbitals are equal to 4, then what is the hybridization number? sp3. Okay. 5 sp3d. Okay. 6 sp3 d2. sp3 d3. The number of hybrid orbitals are 7. Okay. Okay. So the number of hybrid orbitals are 4 means what is the hybridization? That is sp3 hybridization. Similarly, calculate for Cl2 minus. Okay, central atom is chlorine. Therefore, hybridization. Okay, hybridization. Central atom is chlorine. Group number is 7 plus number of monovalent atoms. There is no monovalent atoms. 0 minus charge. Minus into minus plus 1. Okay. So by 2, that is equal to what? Here also number of hybrid orbitals are 4. sp3 hybridization. sp3. Okay. sp3. It is also sp3 hybridization. Next, Cl2 minus. Calculate hybridization. Calculate hybridization. Central atom is chlorine. Group number is what? 7. Number of monovalent atoms. There is no monovalent atoms. Therefore 0. Okay. Minus into minus plus 1. Okay. Minus into minus 1. The directly I am writing plus 1 by 2. That is equal to 8 by 2. 8 by 2 means what? 4. sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization. Here it is also sp3 hybridization. Next, perchlorate ion. In perchlorate ion, central atom is chlorine. Therefore, hybridization is what? Group number. Okay, group number is 7. That is chlorine belongs to 7th group. Therefore, group number is 7. Number of monovalent atoms. So there is no monovalent. That's why 0. Okay, minus 1. That is minus into minus plus 1. Directly I am writing. So therefore, 8 by 2, 4. That is sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization. Now tell what is the hybridization of all these ions in Cl2 minus sp3, 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 sp3. Therefore, in all the given ions, what is the hybridization? sp3. What is the hybridization number? Therefore, sp3. Therefore, what is the answer? Fourth option is correct. Fourth option is correct. Okay. Thank you.